Hey guys, welcome back to another editing tutorial. We are here because we want to know how to blur your video background using Capcut. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Open Capcut, import your video. Place it in your desired aspect ratio. Click Effect, Video Effect. Under Trend, then scroll down to Blur. Extend the blur to the end of the video. Tap Overlay. Select Same Video. Then scroll to Remove Background. Remove BG. Tap Auto Removal. Increase the overlay video to be slightly larger than the standard video to make the blur effect look better. Wait until the blur effect is fully processed, then export. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll catch up in my next one.